Welcome back to KeiroCraze. We're about to witness a battle between lava and acid, a 2-ton axe destroying everything in its path, and one of the strongest trampolines ever built, getting tested in ways that should probably be illegal. We all know that lava is incredibly hot. Hot enough to incinerate almost anything, but acid is much the same. So what would happen if we pitted lava against acid in a head-to-head competition? So let's get started. Our lava is ready to go, and in goes the turkey leg. Whoa, what an absolutely spectacular sight. Did you ever imagine it would bounce around like that? Once it cooled down, we broke it open to take a look, and guess what? On the inside, it was still slightly raw. Incredible. All right, now it's the acid's turn. For a moment, it seemed as though nothing was happening, as if there was no effect at all. But look now, its entire color has changed. It has completely boiled away. And can you guess what that black residue is? It is, in fact, the melted remains of the turkey leg. Shocking, isn't it? So in this round, acid takes the win. Next up, the iPad. We poured the lava onto an iPad that was actively playing a video. I seriously doubt there's anything left of it now. What do you think? Well, take a look at the wreckage for yourself. Now we're going to submerge the iPad in 8 liters of concentrated acid. The iPad sat in the acid for a full 4 hours, yet there was no significant reaction whatsoever. In this round, lava emerges victorious. Now we've brought out some slabs of ice. We'll start with the lava. The lava did melt the ice a little bit, but it wasn't able to burn all the way through even a single slab. No worries, let's pour on the acid and see what kind of effect that has. And wow, that is truly incredible. The moment the acid hit, it sliced through every single slab of ice like a laser beam. Just look at that. It looks absolutely spectacular. This means that in this round, acid takes the win. And just like that, in some instances, lava came out on top, while in others, acid claimed the victory. For instance, the lava completely obliterated these toys, whereas the acid had virtually no effect on them at all. Next, he takes a genuine 1.2 carat diamond. The lava has absolutely no effect on it. Look, it comes out exactly as it went in. Then it is submerged in acid. After about 2 hours, it is retrieved, still perfectly intact. And so the winner in this round is the diamond itself. However, the most interesting experiment is about to begin. Lava versus acid. Which one will manage to shut down a running car engine? To find out, 2 powerful acids, strong enough to dissolve even gold, are being mixed together. Notice how the color of the acid has already changed. It is then poured over the car engine in this manner. All of the acid has now been poured onto the engine. Yet the engine is still running. So let's try pouring the lava instead. Look, all the lava has been dumped onto the car engine. And within just 2 minutes, the engine sputters out and dies. Once again, lava emerges victorious. All in all, this experiment was a lot of fun. Therefore, the KeiroCraze score for this video is 8 out of 10. Friends, you must have seen plenty of axes in your time, but you've certainly never seen one like this. This is the world's largest axe. It weighs a whopping 2 tons in total, and the blade itself weighs a staggering 150 kilograms. In this video, we're going to find out exactly what this massive axe is capable of cutting through. First up on the chopping block is this gas cylinder. Let's see what happens. Whoa! What an incredible explosion that was! It sliced the cylinder clean in 2! Let's take another look in slow motion. Now that's what I'm talking about. That was awesome! It looks like this entire video is going to be a real blast! Alright, now let's put this LED screen to the test. Oh, it absolutely obliterated the screen! There's nothing left of it. Just take a look at the state of that LED screen now. And now we're going to smash this slab of ice. We've added some color to it so the impact shows up clearly from a distance. So let's go ahead and smash this too. Wow, that was another spectacular smash. Just check it out in slow motion. Next, we've got a car wheel positioned upright. Let's see what happens. Oh, wow! It absolutely shredded that too! Just look at that! It's incredibly powerful. Let's watch it in slow motion. Oh, that is just so satisfying. In the same vein, it also completely demolished a large refrigerator. Just take a look. It seems like there's absolutely nothing left of it. Let's watch it in slow motion. It looks just like someone tearing up a piece of paper. Simply incredible. All right, guys, now let's smash something really big. To be clear, this isn't actually a real Tesla. It's just been painted to look like one. So, let's get it set up on the chopping block. Are you ready? Let's see what happens.
Oh!
Man, I've never witnessed a sight like this before. I have never seen a car end up in this condition from just a single blow. Let's watch it in slow motion. Is that an axe or a hammer? The moment it made contact, the car buckled. When viewed up close, it looks as though a massive accident has occurred. Regardless, the video was thoroughly entertaining to watch, and it earns a KeiroCraze score of 8.5 out of 10. You've probably seen plenty of trampolines designed for kids to jump on, but this trampoline is something special. That's because it isn't just for jumping. Heavy objects are going to be dropped onto it from above. For this very reason, its 144 springs are exceptionally strong. Extra strong, in fact. Even so, the video promises to be a lot of fun. Just look at the sheer amount of planning these clever folks put into building it. If you're still not convinced, just take a look at each individual spring. Each one weighs 450 pounds. When you add all the springs together, the total weight exceeds 200 kilograms. Folks, this thing is seriously sturdy. It was built with an immense amount of hard work and effort. But enough talk, let's get straight to the experiments. First, just as a test run, let's drop a large watermelon onto it. Wow. I actually got a kick out of watching that watermelon. Just seeing how it shattered was entertaining in itself. Wow, it looks absolutely incredible in slow motion. Just imagine, if one watermelon was that entertaining, what would it look like with 20 watermelons all at once? Man, that's amazing. I personally find this video incredibly entertaining. Now this is what I call a fun video. Now a 30-kilogram ball is going to be dropped onto the trampoline. Oh my God, that is so amazing. Look how high that ball bounced back up. And hey, check out this slow motion footage. It's absolutely incredible. All right, now let's drop a yoga ball that's completely filled with water. The amazing thing is that it didn't burst. Watch it in slow motion. The moment the ball made contact with the trampoline, its entire shape completely distorted. Take a close look. Isn't that just incredible? I could watch that over and over again. It's oddly satisfying. That was a real treat. Okay, we've dropped enough small objects. Let's drop something big. Really? Yes, really. This car is going to be dropped onto this trampoline from way up there. Oh my God! Goosebumps! anything like this before. I absolutely have to see that in slow motion. The way those springs stretched all the way down, that was truly epic. This is one incredibly sturdy trampoline. The entire video was an absolute blast, and I give it a KeiroCraze score of 9 out of 10. Today's experiments were absolutely wild. We watched lava battle acid, a 2-ton axe destroy almost everything in its path, and a super trampoline survive impacts that should have destroyed it. Honestly, I still can't decide which one was the craziest. Now it's your turn. Which experiment gets your vote? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoy crazy experiments, satisfying destruction, insane engineering, and real reactions, make sure you hit subscribe and join the KeiroCraze community. See you in the next one.